mga best, welcome back to my channel. My name is X if you have forgotten, and basically we have this look today, and basing on the title, this is somehow a makeup look for your Zoom or Skype meetings with your boss, since everybody has been working at home because of the quarantine during the COVID-19 pandemic. So yeah, I guess it must have been wise if we made a tutorial that would be really helpful for those of us who are obliged to work at home. So actually, I really apologize for the glare on my eyeglasses, but yeah, here is the look without, the eyeglass. So yeah, basically I played with some nudes on my eyes and on my lips, and yeah, I miss doing this. So if you actually want to learn how I did this look, so please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Glam Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer as my primer for today's look. So it's not really a primer, but I thought I wanted to use this because I'm gonna be using a full coverage foundation, just so there is an illuminating factor, if you know what I mean. Alright, next I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation as my foundation apparently. And yeah, I really love this. It's really full coverage, and I'm just gonna use my Real Techniques sponge to even out and spread out and blend the foundation into my skin. I only used one layer of this foundation, and it pretty much covered, most of my blemishes, if not all. Then for concealer today, I'm gonna use a No Filter concealer from ColourPop. It's my cult favorite. It's a cult favorite in the shade beige 25, and I'm just gonna conceal the usual areas of my face like so. And again, using my sponge, I'm gonna blend it in. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm kind of new to this. It has been so long since I have did another tutorial. And to set everything in place, I'm gonna use the Essence matte powder. It's translucent. It does not have any coverage. It will just set your foundation and concealer in place perfectly. So yeah, I'm just using just a thick kabuki brush. Yeah, let's proceed with the eyebrows. I'm using a spoolie, and with my Miniso eyebrow pencil in dark gray, I'm just gonna line out the outer areas of my brows like so, since these are the areas where I don't really have much hair, and I'm not really good at doing eyebrows, but trust me, I'm trying. Also, I have really thick eyebrow hairs, so I really have dark eyebrows. And yeah, I got wala tayong magawa dyan, mga best, ganyan talaga. And for my other brow, of course, yeah, just the same way I did the other brow. Also, proceeding to our eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this palette. It's one of my favorites as well. It's really cheap. I guess it's only 149 pesos, and using that bone white shadow, I'm gonna set the, I'm gonna, prime my eyelid for the rest of the shadows, if you know what I mean. So I'm just doing windshield wiper motions, and with this kind of brownish, warm brownish shade, I used a a smaller brush, a tapered brush, to pack the pigment into the crease. I don't really have much of a crease, so I decided to take the color or the shadow upwards because I have really hooded eyes. Next, using this darker brown shade, it's like a rich chocolate shade, and with a smaller tapered brush, I'm just gonna do some contouring in my eyelids because we're gonna do like a halo eye, and using a fresh blending brush, I'm just gonna blend everything together. And with a flat brush and with the same concealer, I'm just gonna cut the middle part of my crease so I can do a halo eye. And using the brush from my Anastasia palette, I'm gonna dig into this like champagne brown glittery shimmery color and just pack it onto my lids or at the center of my lid. Then I'm just blending everything together once more, especially those that are in the inner and the outer corners of my eyelids. And using this like camel warm shade or warm camel shade, I'm just gonna blend everything together, still doing upward strokes. And I'm just gonna proceed to curling my lashes. And for mascara today, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This one is not the waterproof version. I believe there's a blue one which is the waterproof one. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this, and I'm not really fond of this mascara because it's really wet, but yeah, just look at the volume. And for our lower lids, I just went into that brown shade, and using a pencil brush, I just blended everything in. And mascara for lower lashes. And yeah, I put some mascara on my face, guys. I fix it up using a brush with a concealer. So yeah, more mascara. One of my favorite beauty products, if you know me well, is a mascara because it accentuates my eyes. With a flat brush or an angled brush, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone using my e.l.f. highlighter in Blush Gems, like so. And I will also brighten up the eye by putting the same highlighter on my tear ducts, or what do you call that part over there? It's like pamuta, mga best. Alright, so proceeding with contour, I'm going to be using this EV Pro Cheek Set. I love this as well. I'm going to use the contouring shade, and I'm just going to contour my face as usual. I have a really fat circular face, so contouring is one of the things that I really love doing. So yeah, we need to contour our forehead and the jawline. This is actually my favorite part because this is where the real magic begins. So for our Zoom meetings, we need to contour our face. So yeah, I'm just trying to make my nose appear higher by contouring it. And since I love contour products and bronzers, I'm gonna go in and bronze up my face some more using my ColourPop bronzer in Private Party, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just doing the same thing that I did earlier. And by the way, I love contouring my chin because it seems that I have like a divided chin somewhere. For blush, I'm just gonna use the blush from the EV Pro palette. I really love this. It's like an old rose taupe color. It's like a muted pink. It's not too dark. I mean, it's not too bright. It's not too out there. It's just the right kind of blush for me. For highlighter, I'm going to use my e.l.f. highlighter in Blush Gems, and I'm just going to use that little tiny brush to put the highlighter on. Yeah, as I told you earlier, my favorite part in doing makeup is contouring and highlighting and yeah, putting blush. And just look at the magic when you put in the highlighter on your nose. It seems that you have, you know, a snatched nose, if you know what I mean. Also, look at that highlighter on the Cupid's bow on that part of my lip. I love looking at that. Yeah, feel it, girl. So I decided on this nude lip color for today. It's the Tarte's lip paint in Birthday Suit, and I love it so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you again on my next videos, mga best. Take care, and please be safe. See you around, and stay home, please.